We started our day in Brisbane with breakfast and a walk around the city. At 11, we had tickets for the Koala Express from downtown Brisbane to Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary. After spending a few hours at the sanctuary, we took the Koala Express back to downtown Brisbane and did some more exploring. We spent the afternoon walking along the river until we got to Story Bridge, where we took the free ferry back to near our hotel. A couple of things that might help you on your travels. We thought we were going to need more time at the Koala Sanctuary, but ended up taking the 11 a.m. boat to the sanctuary and the 2 p.m. boat back home. We felt like we saw everything that we wanted to see in the few hours we were there. Getting to the sanctuary from downtown is pretty easy with Mirimar Cruises. They have a couple of different options, so we'll put a link in the description. There's a free water taxi called the CityHopper to get around town. We'll also put a link in the description for that so you can check their times and locations. We enjoyed relaxing and walking along the river, but if you want more adventure, there's a few places that offer kayak rentals and rock climbing that are also right on the river. If you want to head further away from downtown, you can head out to visit the Tangalooma Wrecks. This is something we would have done if we had more time. I hope this video gives you a glimpse into our day and helps you a little bit on your travels. See you out there.